Hi, welcome to the podcast for When the Curves Line Up for March 2nd, 2025, featuring a pretty evening crescent moon. Please see the article that includes diagrams of today's events on the website at whenthecurveslineup.com. Text by Jeffrey L. Hunt. Events are described relative to sunset. Find sunset times for the month in local sources. A lovely crescent moon is visible in the western sky after sunset. Find it 1/3 of the way from the horizon to overhead, 30 degrees above the west-southwest horizon. The moon displays a phase that is 12% illuminated. Look for earthshine on the night portion of the moon. This effect is reflected sunlight from Earth's features that softly lights up the lunar night. Photograph it with a tripod-mounted camera or a camera phone, if held steadily, with exposures up to a few seconds. Along with earthshine, capture Venus and Mercury in the same scene. Brilliant Venus is that bright star over 13 degrees to the moon's lower right. The evening star is the brightest star-like body in the sky tonight. The planet was brightest about 2 weeks ago. Since then, it has dimmed slightly as it overtakes our planet. Moving on an orbital path closer to the Sun than Earth, it passes between our world and the Sun on the 22nd. Tonight, it is nearly 30 million miles from Earth, about 125 times the Moon's distance. Through a telescope, Venus displays an evening crescent phase, 12% illuminated, that nearly matches the Moon's phase. While the Moon's phase is waxing or increasing, Venus' phase is shrinking. The Moon's waxing and waning terms are not used with Venus, though their phases appear similar. Mercury can appear in this photographic scene with the Moon with earthshine and brilliant Venus. At 45 minutes after sundown, it is over 7 degrees above the western horizon and 13 degrees to Venus' lower left. The speedy planet is visible to the unaided eye, though a binocular is helpful with its initial identification. Mercury, Venus, and crescent moon are part of an evening parade of planets that includes bright Jupiter and Mars. When looking for Mercury, find the Jovian giant high in the south-southwest, nearly 50 degrees to the moon's upper left. Jupiter rambles eastward in front of Taurus, 5.6 degrees above Aldebaran, the constellation's brightest star. It is generally moving toward the Bull's Horns, Elnath, and Zeta Tauri. At this hour, Mars is over halfway up in the east-southeast near the Gemini twins, Castor and Pollux. The red planet marches eastward against the starry background, 7.0 degrees to Pollux's upper right and 7.4 degrees to Castor's lower right. Mars passes Castor in a wide conjunction on the 21st, followed by Pollux's conjunction 10 nights later. Each night, the moon continues to wax. A nice earthshine display continues for the next few evenings. The bright four-planet parade continues for about another week as Mercury's brightness fades and it retreats into brighter twilight. Then Venus, Jupiter, and Mars are visible after sundown. Venus is rapidly departing the evening sky. It is easily visible for the next few weeks before inferior conjunction as it reappears in the morning sky before sunrise at month's end. This leaves Jupiter and Mars as the bright evening planets. Thank you for listening. Please read the articles at whenthecurveslineup.com.